Welcome to the Exquisite Health Consult. Your health remains our priority.
Hello, good day to us all. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about something more important. First of all, happy new month to us all. We are in new month November, and I pray that this month will not end without your expectations becoming your manifestations. So today we're going to be talking about something. Last month, the month of October, happened to be a breast cancer awareness month. Yes, so every year in the month of October is a month where women, and in fact the whole world, is enlightened about breast cancer. And one of the signs of that is we go on pink. Yes, so pink is one of the dress colors which are encouraged in the month of October in order to carry out the breast cancer awareness campaign. So today we want to say one of the things about breast cancer. Yes, now what is breast cancer? First of all, cancer is an occurrence in the body of a human where cells multiply and grow rapidly than normal. The worst part of it is that those cells don't die easily. They keep on growing but they don't die. That is what leads to cancer. So when cells happen to multiply beyond their normal rate for multiplication, it leads to cancer. That is what cancer is. Cancers aren't some external things that just enter into your body. They are your body cells misbehaving, but that could have been triggered by a lot of factors that you and I may not know about. That is also the same thing about the breast cancer. The breast is actually an organ in the human body that contains some glands called the mammary glands. The mammary glands are made up of cells called the lobulus. So lobulus is the cell that produces the milk that a mother uses to breastfeed her child. That is the major content of the breast. So when the lobulus cells multiply exponentially without them dying, that is what leads to cancer of the breast. And there are some signs, some symptoms of cancer which I will not go so much into at the moment. Most times cancer stops with lumps on the breast or even under your armpits. Yes, it is a symptom of breast cancer. So some starts as lumps, some start as some may even lead to scaling of the skin with excruciating pain, and then it may also lead to swelling or change in size and shape of the breast. So those are symptoms of cancer. But today the emphasis of this video is just giving us those little tips that we could use as human beings, as ladies, to prevent the risk of having or experiencing breast cancer. Tip number 1, you can do a self-breast massage. As simple as it sounds, that is it. While having your bath, there is no harm in doing some breast massage. Yes, or maybe while you're dressing up to go out, you just do that. It is not masturbation, it's called breast massage. It helps to keep your breast healthy. Number 2 is exercising. Very important. Exercise cannot be overemphasized. I want you to understand that there's so many risks that comes with building so much weight. Building so much weight means you're storing fat in inappropriate places of your body, and this can expose the human body to a high risk of different kinds of cancer, breast cancer inclusive. So always aim at keeping fit. Please don't think that keeping fit is meant for just fat people. No, not just for fat people, even though it is very important for fat and big people. But keeping fit is meant for every human being because there are so many things that it helps you to avoid and prevent your body from experiencing. So it is important to exercise as a woman in order to avoid breast cancer. Number 3, please avoid taking of alcohol and smoking as much as possible. Yes, I am speaking to us. Smoking with alcohol exposes us to different kinds of cancer, breast cancer inclusive. Yes. So this is not about this lady just being spiritual or religious. It is now about your health. So you must learn to avoid alcohol and smoking as much as possible. Number 4, try to prevent taking of pills. Yes, pregnancy pills, or should I call them anti-pregnancy pills. There's a lot of us that want to, you don't want to be pregnant. We should limit the rate of anti-pregnancy pills that we take. And also, try as much as you can to lower, or if possible, avoid hormonal therapy. Menopause hormonal therapy. There's some persons who who do this hormonal therapy in order to prevent menopause. Yes, please endeavor to stop it, especially after you're 35. Yes, endeavor to stop it, if to lower it. Don't do it for a long time. Yes, from age 35 it is very, very risky. If possible, avoid it entirely, because you're opening channels for breast cancer. Very, very importantly. Then the next thing is, don't just overlook signs on your body. When you have some funny signs in your body is yours, so you know it better than anyone else. So peradventure you see a lump somewhere or something that you don't understand that is beyond the normal, please try as much as possible to ask questions, to seek further inquiries about what that lump could be. Finally, the least, but the strongest of the best way to prevent breast cancer is this. I learned from my father in the Lord that learn to curse whatsoever doesn't look like purpose of God in your life. Curse it. Curse it. Yes, you curse it. You curse it. So in case you see something coming up on your breast that looks like a lump, and then maybe the devil is trying to give you the idea of a breast cancer, do not accept it as your faith. Curse it. Open your mouth. Curse it. Say, I curse you. You have no place in my body. Because whether you believe it or not, the truth is, a lot of things, the challenges, the health issues that some persons pass through may not be because of what they have done or the exposures that they've had over time. Some of them may just be evil arrows sent from the pit of hell. And the evil arrows can be rebuked, can be caused and sent back to the pit of hell. So remember that you can also pray your health into being. Yes, I am saying it unashamedly. You can pray your health into being. So don't keep your mouth quiet whenever you see a symptom that doesn't look like what God has planted in your body. Curse it. Curse it and curse it down to the root, and you trust God for a miracle. So in case you're out there already and you're battling with breast cancer, please do see a doctor and put your faith highly and only in God. He's capable of healing you, and I believe in the miraculous because it works, and it works really well. I may share a testimony very soon, but not in this video. So while you put your faith in God, please see a doctor and try to do the little tips which I've given. And I hope and I pray and I know that the God that answers prayer is going to answer you and heal you from breast cancer. So once again, cancer is real. Breast cancer is real. But there are ways in which we can prevent them in a little quota. One more thing I forgot to add. Please learn to always change your inner wears. I mean your brassieres, your singlets, your vests, and so on and so forth. Hygiene also helps against a lot of infection. So don't wear just one bra for days and you're going with it. No, learn to change your inner wears as often as possible. Alright, so we stop here for today and expect more in our next video. Remember that October is a breast awareness, a breast cancer awareness campaign month. So in your little way, in subsequent years coming, you can choose to reach out to young ladies, to older ladies, to teenagers, to sensitize them and make them to be aware of breast cancer. All right, thank you for staying tuned and do have a great day.